In this video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of black bars in Premiere Pro. So with regards to black bars in Premiere Pro, this usually happens when the sequence you have is not really matching that video's, let's say, pixel ratio or aspect ratio. So to do that, we're just going to fix this one. All right, so I have this video right here. As you can see, there are black bars down below and here at the top. Now there are two ways that we can do this. The first thing is you can just go ahead and basically increase the size of your video just like so in order for it to fit that sequence aspect ratio. Now another thing that we can do here is, let's go back a bit. So here we are. Now you can actually go ahead and basically right click that particular video. So this clip of mine, I'm going to go ahead and create a new sequence from it. So if I'm going to play this one, you can see that we don't have those black bars at the top or down below. Now this is because we are using the same aspect ratio that a video has for our sequence. But then again, if you are going to be exporting this one or using this same clip in a sequence, let's say you have a lot of videos in here, the best way that you can do really is just increasing its size just like so. And yeah, that everybody is how you are going to fix this problem. If you found this video helpful, please consider hitting that like and subscribe button down below. Also feel free to share in the comments how this video has helped you.